After so many years, the NEET pattern has been changed. The older pattern was there will be physics, chemistry and biology, and in each section for physics you got 45 questions, chemistry you will get 45 questions, and biology there will be 90 questions. And in biology section there will be no discrimination as botany and zoology. It will be biology. It may 50 questions arise from botany or 50 may arise from zoology. There is no discrimination. So this was the old pattern up to 2020. But in this year, this pattern has been totally changed. Let's see. The physics and chemistry will be as such, but biology has been splitted as botany and zoology. Botany and zoology. And in each pattern and each subject there is something called a section A and section B in each subject. So section A, section B, section A, section B, section A and section B. So section A comprises of 35 questions. So section A comprises of 35 questions in all the subject. In all the subject, section A comprises of 35. The latest thing is there is something called a section B in which you will be having 15 questions. In which you will be having 15 questions in section B for all the subject. And all you have to do is you can have a choice of attending 10 among the 15 questions. In the 15 la 10 question attend பண்ணா போதும் சரியா அப்போ டோட்டலா 35 plus 10 questions totally there will be 45 35 plus 10 45 so 45 so totally put together it is 180 questions but the questions that is given in the question paper are 200 questions. So out of 200, so eliminating the 5 choices in each section B, you will be attending 180 questions, right? This was the new update that was given for 2021 NEET exam, right? So 180 questions out of 200. Is it advantageous? The answer is actually no, because நார்மலாக 180 கொஷின்ஸை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கே நம்மளுக்கு டைம் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும் ஓஎம்ஆர் ஷேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கரெக்டாக இப்போ 200 கொஷின்ஸுங்கிற போது இட் இஸ் மோர் பேர்டன் நீ எல்லா கொஷின்ஸையும் ரீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கே யூ நீட் மோர் டைம் பட் ஸ்டில் த டைம் இஸ் நாட் சேஞ்ச்டு இட் இஸ் 180 minutes or it is 3 hours. So already 180 questions 180 minutes. Now you got 200 questions for just 180 minutes. So you should be fast. You should know where to live. So to update all the tricks to attend the section B questions and how to manage your time, I'll be updating in my next further coming videos. So do subscribe this channel and wait for further updates. And if you want to get more things about the biology and related stuffs, join in my Telegram group whose link is given in the description below. Thanks for watching.